Hey, I'm Cesar. Today we are going to share with you an example of advanced forms or WhatsApp forms with a lot of options and validations, everything in one cool demo. So we are here with this company. This company is about garage doors, and I want to use this example because it's a case where you want to have pricing, you want to have validation, and you want to have a you know location based validation. I mean, you want to serve in specific areas or zip codes, things like that, and that's something new that we have for you. So the idea is to share with you how this works. So we start with a very simple form. You got name, WhatsApp number, that's it. Okay, very simple. And we are going to add a new field now. Okay, we are going to add a first field, and this one is going to be zip code. Okay, and zip code now comes with exclusions. Okay, when you activate the zip code field, now you have exclusions that is to reject specific zip codes, and you can use things like 28 star, and that means everything that is 28 something is going to be rejected. Okay, and you can add as many as you want. So let's say you work in Florida but you don't work anywhere else, or you work in some zip codes in Florida but you don't work anywhere else. You can add those type of exclusions. Okay, so this is, let's say, Florida zip code. Let's see how this is. I think it's all 32 something. I think Florida state 32, 33. I think those are the two. 34. Yes. So 32, 33, 34 should be the ones that we enable. Everything else will be rejected. Okay, so we can put 2, 1, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. 7, 8, 8, and 9. So anything that is outside 3, let's say, is going to be rejected, and we can say sorry, we do not work in this area. Okay, and this can be the same for all of them, and that's it. And we have this we have the first field solve. Only in zip codes in our area we are going to enable the user to continue. Everything else is rejected. So this is the first validation. The second validation will be something in the other way. Is for example, how big is your garage? I mean, we need to know how many, I don't know, square meters, or something like that. Is it, I don't know, 10 meters? We can say this is 1000. I don't know anything about garage doors, but let's say is this option, then is 22 meters, and it's 3000. I don't know. This is an example for you. Okay, we can put this as buttons, so we can click activate. Okay, now we have this form. Now this form is like this. Okay, is name, WhatsApp number, zip code, and how big is your garage. But we may want to show this option only to the Florida users. So we are going to do zip code, and we are going to put 3 star. Okay, and the same is because only users with 3 something are going to see this option. So we click activate, so you see how this works. Now I'm going to put Cesar, this is my phone number, and this is the zip code. I'm going to use, I don't know, 33898. Okay, and as you can see, I see the next question is how big is your garage. The same, we can do the same for other questions, like how soon you want this installation. And the same, we can put a drop down with price, we can add this condition, we can put the same 3 star, and we can say as soon as possible. We can put 1000, we can put this week, we can put 1,000, and we can put something like next month, and this can be 500. Okay, we can add pricing based on the type of service the user is asking. If it's something urgent, it's going to be more expensive. If there is no rush, it will be cheaper. No, that can be an option. And the same, we have add a condition that is the zip code, and is it starts with 3. Okay, so we activate, and the same, we only see these questions. I put my information. The moment I put my zip code, I'm going to see the questions for my garage installation. In this case, we are not showing the price, okay? But this is an option for you. If you want, you can show price. We can show price in the widget. We can show as buttons. We can show price. And we can show the total in the widget. Okay, let's click activate. So now the total is 0. Okay, I'm going to put here my name, my phone number. I put 3. Okay, 33893. Okay, and now I see the price. Okay, and the total. The same. This is an option for you. To show pricing is something that is optional. Okay, you don't need to show the price. Okay, so this is something you can choose here, and you can see how this works. Let's hide the price. Okay, let's hide the price, and let's hide the total. If we do that, no, there is no, I mean, it's not a problem. I mean, what happens here? I put this information, I put my zip code, I choose this and this. I click contact. This generates a lead. Okay, the lead is with all the information, and in the CRM, if we go to leads, we are going to have the price. We see the total amount of leads we are generating, the total, let's say, revenue expected from these leads, and each lead has its own pricing. No? If I have a few leads, I will see which ones have more potential, more value, more, potential revenue, things like that. So this is for you to have a really cool form. I think the zip code validations are great. If I put something like Caesar, and I put 22898, okay, we have the message, sorry, we don't work in this area. What happens with this lead? This lead is safe. Okay, the lead is safe, is in your CRM, but doesn't go to WhatsApp. Okay, so you can do, I don't know, follow-ups. You can sell this to someone else. Maybe a third party, a colleague wants to use these leads. I don't know, that's up to you. Okay, but the lead is safe. What doesn't happen is this lead doesn't go to WhatsApp. Okay, it stays in the widget, and that's it. And everyone else, the ones starting with 3, they will go to your CRM. If you want to do something more specific, let's say you only work on I don't know, this area, 34953. Okay, 34953. I mean, that's something you can do. I mean, you can block everything but that field. So you can put something like, I mean, this will be a bit crazy. 3, which one? We want this one. We want 3, 4. I'm going to keep it there so I don't lose it. So you can put something like, I only want 3, 4, 3, 4, 8 will be excluded. 3, 4, 7 will be excluded. 3, 4, 6. We can keep adding, exclusions. so we only keep 34953. Okay, so this is for you to add and keep zip codes you want to work. Okay, and you can be as specific as you want. And the same, only, for example, we can put here the full zip code. Okay, we can put here the full zip code, so only this zip code is going to see the extra questions. So I'm going to put my information, and the moment I put that specific zip code, I have the extra questions. Otherwise, I don't see it. Okay, if I put 2, there is no extra questions. Okay, this is going to be a lead that doesn't have extra information, so you know it's a lead you don't serve. Everyone else, well, the ones with your zip code, this will go with all the information to WhatsApp. So I hope it's clear. I hope you like it. I think zip codes are very valuable. Zip codes really provide, targeted information, and you can get really qualified leads. So this is how you do it. This is for your widget, for your landing page, form, anything in your space. You can put it in your website, landing page, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, anywhere else, and you will get, the leads you really want to work with. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.